Hi family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oforiwa. If you are new here, I say welcome. Thank you so much for being here today. Into this video, I am going to be transforming this my dining room. I just want to set it up because my family going to be coming over for Christmas. This is just a last minute. So I was not really planning on doing anything to this dining room for this Christmas since we just moved here. I have been really busy trying to get the other part of the house ready. But my sisters are coming to spend the Christmas with me. So I just want to set it up and make it look so cute and welcoming since my family will be coming to spend the Christmas with me. Like I said, this is a last minute to time. So I'm just going to be using everything that I already have. The Christmas tree I will be using today. I was planning not to put it up, but since, like I said, my family are coming, I just want to turn this space really cozy and give it a Christmas vibe because right now it looks so sorrowful. That is probably if I say that myself. But the tree I'm going to be using is a tree that I had in my other house before we moved into this house. So like I said, I just want to turn this place into a really, really, really beautiful space that when my sisters come on Christmas Day, we can sit in here and just talk and relax and eat and things like that. So that's why I really want to turn this space into the way that I had it in my hands. So right now I'm just going ahead and cleaning all of the surface that I'm gonna be decorating today. I'm gonna be decorating this buffet area, this sideboard. I love it so much. I did purchase this from Wayfair like 4 or 5 years ago, and I still love it. And right now I'm just vacuuming the space. Since I already cleaned, I just want to vacuum before I get into the decorating. I don't want to set the table up and decorate and then I start vacuuming again. I feel like that can kind of release some dust into the air. So I just want to vacuum first before I can get into the Christmas decorations in this space. So like I said from the beginning, if you are new here, my name is Oforiwa. I am a mom of 4 and a wife. We have just been in this house for 2 months now. We moved in October in this house, so we have been here for almost 2 months now. And I have been really busy trying to set up our home and get it comfortable and ready for us, like I said. So right now I'm just setting up this Christmas tree that I got from a store they call At Home, and I purchased this last year. I didn't use it in my other house in my living room, but this year, because this house is bigger than our other house we used to live in, I decided to use a larger tree in that space. So I decided to put this tree in the living room, in the dining room, I'm sorry, this year, just to give it that welcoming, cozy, and Christmas vibe that we all try to create in our home. But I'm going to be using everything that I have around my house, things I have used for the past years, and things, just some regular home decor. Like I said, I'm not going out to buy anything because this is just a last minute to time decorations. So I don't want to go out and buy anything. So I'm just going to shop around my home, get some of my home decor pieces, things I've used in the past, and just stuff like that, just to turn this room, like I said, to make it more welcoming and relaxing, that when my older sisters and my sisters come to visit for the Christmas, we can be able to spend some time in this space because some part of the house are not ready yet, it's not decorated. So for me, turning this space into a space that's gonna be more inviting and welcoming, that's my goal. And I hope you guys stick around to finish watching and see how it turned out. I really love how it turned out. And I just want to say this, sometimes you never know how much things you have around your house till you start decorating. Whenever you're trying to decorate a space, let's just say getting it ready for family members that coming over or friends and things like that, just make sure that you shop around your home first before you can go out to buy stuff. Try some things in the space, try it, take it out and see if you like it. If you don't like it, then you can just remove them. But I always like to shop around my home whenever I'm decorating any space. Sometimes it's good that you can go in a space and move something from there and replace it and move that something into a new spot. Just because decoration can really get expensive, y'all. Whether you are decorating for Christmas, spring, fall, or any holiday, or any spring, or any season, it can get really expensive. So I always advise people that watch my channel, follow me, even my family. I always tell them shop around your home. When you cannot find anything in that home that you're gonna love to put in that space, then now when you're going out to the store to buy, you know exactly why and what you are going to the store to get, because now you already know what you want for that space. That's how I have been able to decorate my house over the years. And I'm just using things like I said. If you have been here watching all of my decoration videos and then you have seen all of the decoration pieces I'm using, just look how beautiful it is. Just me taking them. I have some of them in the garage. I went in there, I look around, I picked some of them and see how pretty it turned out. Like, this space has been just bare since we moved here, because I really want to do a living room or dining room makeover. I really wanted to transform this space, but for the Christmas, it really needed some love and care. Since we're gonna be in here talking and just loving on one another, I just wanted to make this space feel that way. So that's exactly what I decided to do. So I'm using this wreath. I use it on my other fireplace in my other house, and I just want to put it in here. And I do have a light in it that can turn on. So like if everybody sit down and all relax, I will turn it on just for us to have that cozy and Christmas vibe. So that will be it for today's video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I did have this ribbon around. I just didn't want to leave the tree all bare. So I used this green and this brown creamish kind of look ribbon to just tie it in a bow around the tree. But that will be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas to everyone.